Seychelles, an island archipelago's rise in offshore finance by Dr.Pooyan Ghamari, Swiss economist. Amidst the azure waters of the Indian Ocean, Seychelles, an enchanting archipelago of 115 islands, is not just a honeymooner's paradise. Over the years, it has emerged as a key player in the global offshore financial sector. Known for its flexible corporate structures, confidentiality, and tax advantages, Seychelles is capturing the attention of international businesses and investors. Let's navigate through the financial landscape of this tropical haven. Banking landscape. Growing sector. Seychelles hosts several international and domestic banks, catering to both local and global clientele. Robust regulation. The Central Bank of Seychelles oversees the banking sector, ensuring compliance with international best practices and standards. Currency. The Seychellois Rupee, SCR, is the local currency, but many transactions, especially in the offshore sector, are conducted in major international currencies. Offshore services. International business companies, IBCs in Seychelles are popular due to their ease of incorporation, confidentiality, and tax benefits. Trust and foundation services. Seychelles offers comprehensive services for the establishment and management of trusts and foundations, catering to global wealth management needs. Special license companies, CSLs are hybrid entities allowing businesses to engage in various activities, both locally and internationally, with tax advantages. Ship registration. Given its maritime location, Seychelles offers robust ship registration services. Challenges and considerations. International scrutiny. Seychelles, like many offshore jurisdictions, is under the lens of international regulatory bodies, pushing for increased transparency. Economic diversification. While tourism and fishing are significant sectors, the growth of the financial sector is crucial to reduce economic vulnerabilities. Why choose Seychelles? Speed and flexibility. Seychelles offers quick company incorporations, often within a day, making it an attractive choice for businesses in a hurry. Tax regime. Seychelles has a favorable tax regime for offshore entities, providing tax exemptions on international earnings. Legal framework. Seychelles' legal system is a blend of French civil law and English common law, ensuring a balanced and comprehensive legal environment. Conclusion. Seychelles, with its captivating beaches and verdant landscapes, is also a compelling choice for offshore financial activities. While the islands offer myriad advantages, it is essential for prospective businesses and individuals to understand the nuances, stay updated with regulatory changes, and consult with local experts when considering Seychelles as their offshore destination.